Hello everybody, this is DDK in her kitchens again tonight, and as you can hear from the background noise, we have Grandpa Ken's two grandsons over for a sleepover, and of course we're going to make one of their favorite meals. That is mac and cheese. Now, this is one of those Twisted Sister recipes that's in my recipe book, book 2, What's My Dinner. See, now this is a family size, value size they call it, of macaroni and cheese. It says smile, it's the best, it's the cheesiest. And it is one of the cheesiest. But I make it even cheesier. Of course, this comes with a dry seasoned pack of cheddar cheese. Okay, now this is dry, it's about a quarter cup in here, a third of a cup maybe, of dry cheese, okay, cheddar cheese. And here's about a quarter cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese, and use a grater like this, a little hand grater to grate that into the bowl, and that's what that is in there. And it's got a nice consistency, not too heavy, okay? Then this is the butter that's gonna go in with the cooked pasta and the half and half and the dry seasoning packet and the cheddar and about a quarter teaspoon of ground garlic, about a quarter teaspoon of dill weed, and about a quarter teaspoon of celery seed. Then the other little kick that we're going to do is that we're going to add some steamed broccoli to this, that we're going to put some olive oil in and some garlic and a little bit of salt, and we're going to drain that, after you drain and cook it. It's cooking right now in the microwave, takes about 10-12 minutes. You're going to make it semi-soft. You're going to drain that in the strainer, which is right here, okay? And then we're going to add that to this pasta mix, okay? And the reason why we're doing that is because you got to sneak vegetables in once in a while when you got little ones. And that's how we do it. We sneak them in, and they taste delicious. They got a bunch of cheese on it and butter. What's not to like? They don't even notice that it's a vegetable, okay? So, that's what is for tonight's dinner. And I hope it would be helpful. But by book 2, which is What's My Dinner, I have all these little twisted secrets in there and recipes. And you also could take one of my classes, The Secrets and Twist of Cooking in the Kitchen and making things absolutely delish without breaking the bank, breaking your budget, breaking your back, or your brain, or any of those breaking parts, and just have fun in a kitchen cooking. You can get my books at Groundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo, Flicker's Meat Market in White Bear Lake. You can get them from DDK, author herself, at divadish67gmail.com or 612-859-3270. This is Jana. I'm going over and out because I got to get ready to put us all together so I can feed those hungry boys. All right, take care. Ciao for now.